friends, today I am going to teach you all amazing 2 experiments using laser light and 1 experiment using plastic bottle, a bowl and water. Like this kind of laser light, you will get it in different designs and different colors for 60 rupees. If you want bigger one, you can buy for 150 rupees. Now let's go to the first experiment. The first experiment, for this things you need are a laser light and a hot glue tube. Let's start. First, I will keep this laser light here and now I will on the laser light. The hot glue tube became red. Now it will become green. And now it will turn into blinking orange color. See? The which color this laser light comes, that color this tube turns into. Let's go to the next experiment. For this, you need laser light and a plastic bottle. Let's start. I have chosen a plain wall and now I will put this laser light on the laser light. The laser light starts to change its shape if I don't move my hand. Or if I don't move the laser light, it will change its shape too. If you do with the torch mode, it will not change. If you put the laser light, it will change. See? Let's go to the next experiment. For this, I have taken a bowl and plastic water bottle. I have made a hole here and I have cut my finger, filled and put the lid, and then only I have opened my finger. Now, after filling the water, if you slowly open this, the water will start to come out like this. If you close it again, it will not come. I'll repeat it again. See, if I lose this bottle cap, the water will come with a lot of force till the water will not get end till where the hole is. And if I make it tight, the water will get stopped. See? Again, if I make it tight, it will get stopped. These are the 3 experiments for today's video. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.